Sunshine, stay by the rock. You make it easier for me to hold on to. Sunshine, leave me your smile. You make it brighter for me to see. You lighten the burden for me.
Sun shines around the world that have been struggling and trying to hang on to the iron rod, and Janelle is one of those people. So, and also like a few of my other friends. But yeah, so this is the song. It's called "Stay Sunshine." Okay. Sunshine, stay by the rock. You make it easier for me to hold on to. Sunshine, give me your smile. You make it brighter for me to see. You lighten the burden for me. Following what you think's right is supposed to get easy with time. Then you question your actions again, and critic makes you wonder why. Am I following footsteps to nowhere? And is this preventing me today? And making me unaware, or protecting me from deep despair? Oh, try and stay by the rock. It's better when you are here with me. Sunshine, leave me your smile. You make it brighter for me to see. You lighten the burden for me. A cavity you'll leave behind if you go now and change your mind. It's warm, so kind, lost to a world that's blind. You are looking for happiness in whatever makes you free. But freedom depends on being brave for truth. Oh man, I can't read to you.
You can do it. Alright, take two.
Sunshine all day. Oh, yeah. In the cold. So sunshine, stay.
Look at your face.
Can we just go back to like the middle part? Sorry.
Take two, take two.
Alright, take two.
It's all that pumpkin cheesecake.
Yeah, or something like that. Just part is something. Just go right to the yeah, that's cool. Ease your burdens, but demons will find you without any weapons. They'll tear you apart and leave you for vultures. And needing your realize your light is no longer the sunshine on the hill. Our vision in dark times are warm in the cold. So sunshine, stay with me by the rock. You make it easier for me to hold on to. Sunshine, leave me your smile. You make it brighter for me to see. You lighten the burden for me. Yes, sunshine, stay by the rock. It's better when you are here with me. Sunshine, leave me your smile. You make it brighter for me to see. You lighten the burden for